Okay, part 2 of worksheet 1 hypothesis test for the mean. We are now doing the mechanics. Okay, so shape, center, spread. Going to draw the shape. You said it's a T model, so T model looks like a normal model, but it has a thicker tail and a narrower mode. Okay. And so shape, that's approximately normal. T models are approximately normal. And so the center, if you notice, your center is at 300 minutes. So your mean is at 300 minutes right there. And then your spread, if you remember, we got it already. We did a when we did the one variable stat, the spread is 29.311. Okay, so but that's the SE. Okay, so let's solve the SE here. The standard error is going to be, oh come on, I forgot, limit 29.311. okay, 29.311, sorry, 311. Okay, don't forget to divide it by the square root of the sample size. Remember, it has to be the over the square root of n, and that would be the square root of 12 here. Okay, or so let's solve that one. Calculator, calculate, and I'm gonna do there you go, and then enter. So it's 8.46136. okay, 8.46136. okay, so that would be 4. It's right here. Okay, so we have shape, and then we got our center, and then our spread. So next step is the p value, the data value, sorry. Okay, it's in the docs. The mean is 306.25, so let's write that. 306.25. okay, the next step is going to be the degree of freedom. DF, degree of freedom, is going to be, again, degree of freedom is n minus 1, and our n is 12 minus 1, or our degree of freedom is 11. And then we solve the t-score. The t-score with the degree of freedom of 11. So t-score is, again, it's data value, which is 306.25, minus the mean, which is 300, divided by the standard deviation, which is 29.311, divided by the square root of 12, or 8.4614. And okay, so let's get that. Here, okay, 3, 6, and it's going to give us 0.739. okay, so go back. So our t-score is 0.739, and so let's divide this one to 3, and less than 1 about right here, right? And that's really a big area. That's a big area right there. We shade that part, and we would want to know what is the area of the shaded part. Okay, because that's going to give us our probability. Okay, and so that area, let's call this area A, and so that A is the probability that the t-score is greater than, see, it's to the right, okay, and this point right here is 0.739, so it's going to be to the right of 0.739, and to get that we are going to do the TCDF. Okay, so the area is from 0.739 up to positive infinity. See, this goes to positive infinity, and our degree of freedom is 11. So let's get that using our calculator. Menu, stat, distribution, TCDF right here, and again our lower bound is 0.739. Our upper bound is positive infinity, so let's just write a big number right here, and then our degree of freedom is 11. Okay, and hit OK. So our area is 23.8.238. okay, so the area is 0.238. that's a very big area right there. Okay, and so let's write the conclusion. Okay, so with a high p-value, 23.8% is too high. Okay, this is too high. With a high p-value of 0.238 greater than 0.05, remember the unusual is 5%, this one, we fail. See, we fail to reject the null. There is insufficient evidence to conclude battery life is over 300 minutes. Okay, that's it.